Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk through Warrior Studio Management Software's Classes Overview. So what is a class? A class in Warrior is a weekly recurring activity that happens on a regular basis at the same location with the same instructor and is available for one or more clients to sign up for. Clients will use passes, also called memberships, to attend a class. And there is a possibility of adding a wait list. We do include a COVID survey and hopefully help keep people healthy and attending class who are feeling well. There's also the ability to have people sign up and then check in, and also track how many people either canceled or didn't show for the class. We allow clients to self-check in 15 minutes prior to the class using their app, or staff can use their app to check people in. And there's also the option at a front desk to have the admin do a check-in or the owner do a check-in on their admin panel. And we also have the ability to restrict attendees by age. So just a little bit about Warrior and the platform that is available to you. So there is an owner's web portal, and this is the area where you do all your setups. It's a back end for owners and admin to build all the functionality they need to set up passes and classes, their locations and schedules, etc. Clients have the ability to either use a web login or a mobile app that's available on iOS or Android. From there, clients can create their own account. They can control their own identity or data about themselves, address, phone number, etc. They'll be able to find your studio, add you to their favorites, join the studio. They'll be able to purchase passes, sign up for classes, check in. They can also do other things like book and purchase service appointments or products as well. There's a staff app that allows staff to find the studio and join as a staff member. They also have the same functionality built on a web login. They can manage their availability for the studio, manage class attendance, either their own or others, and they also can manage the services like appointments for a massage or a personal training. All right, so let's take a look at things. So the admin dashboard is a great place to go in and easily see what's happening for the day. On the main page, you'll find a filter on the top left to view appointments, classes, or workshops, and the date that you're looking at. This main tile shows a bit of detail like how much time before the class is about to start, who's teaching, how many people have signed up, and how many are checked in. You can also do a calendar view. You'll see the green box on the left over a calendar icon. When you click that, you can select the visibility of seeing a class schedule, appointment schedule, shift schedule, etc. If you select classes, you'll be able to filter by class type, instructor, or location. If you leave those all unfiltered, you'll see all classes. You can look at a day view, a week view, or a month view. And you can flip easily between previous and next month, day, or week. The blue rectangles are classes that are scheduled for this week. And if you click on a blue box, you'll be able to see the details. For each class, there are a number of pass types or membership types that you can set up prior to scheduling the class. And you'll see that there are recurring memberships, which will bill for a period of time on a regular basis, like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, etc., or a monthly recurring membership, which will continue to bill until they cancel. There are time frame, so number of days, and that is billed once and available for as many days as you have set it up for. And then at the bottom, you'll see punch cards. So those are a number of classes someone can attend, and it just draws down a class every time they attend. Let's take a look at how this works with a staff mobile app and client mobile app. Okay, so here we're selecting the studio, and I'm looking at classes here. I'm going to tap classes, and then I'm an instructor or a staff member. I can look at all classes or my classes. This is all classes view, and I may be at the front desk or helping check people in. If I pick a hot yoga class or whatnot and I want to add somebody to the class, I can just search by name and see who we have as a customer and sign them up by selecting which pass they're going to use. Oh, this class is actually too far out, so it's you can only sign up 5 days ahead. Let's go back and find another class that's closer to today's date. All right, so this one is a little closer. Again, just look for the person's name. We got a couple of Robs here. Rob McFlurry does not have a pass, so I can't check him in, but Robert does have one, so let's check that. Okay, good. So now we've selected the right pass, we've confirmed that, and now he's been added to the class. And you see that he's signed up. If the class was within 15 minutes, we'd also be able to check him in. Here we tried to check him in a little too early, but the system said, nope, sorry, you got to wait till 15 minutes. So let's sign him back in versus signed up. And then if you did go back to classes, and we're just going to select classes here, you'll be able to see that under all classes, we've got that check-in that I've added as well. So that's a look at the staff app. Let's go back to look at the client. So as we look at the client app, we're going to start with the main screen once we've selected the studio. This page has, as you can see, Demo Studio with the home button. You can call, you can find the location, you can email them, you can favorite it, and it has a list of activities that you've already done with the studio. So classes, appointments, workshops, waitlist attendance, and my purchases all are available to view. If you click the top bar just under My Studio Details, you'll see the main page, and then we can book a class from here. So we'll find classes by clicking classes, and we're going to look at a number of days here just to scroll through. Hitting the calendar, you can click through by tapping to the right arrow, different days. September 5th, we've got ourselves a hot yoga class. I'm going to sign up, have to answer my COVID questionnaire. All's good there, I'm healthy and able to go in. I select the pass I want to use to attend, choose my monthly membership for this one. And now you can see the details. I'm ready to be checked in when we're within 15 minutes. Then I can go back and see under future classes that I've signed into that. And you can see again the details from your signed in. If I tried to check in, it says, nope, system won't allow you until you're 15 minutes before the class. There you have the way a mobile app would work for a client.